Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to set up a minimum order amount in Shopify. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Shopify, I need you to click the Start Free Trial option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Setting a minimum order amount in Shopify can help ensure that customers meet a specific spending threshold before they can complete their purchase. Now, this feature, I find it useful for various reasons, such as improving profitability or encouraging larger orders. If you haven't already set up the product yet here in Shopify, you might want to click Save on that. And then, now I save this specific product, and if you haven't already, just create your first product here. Go to the inventory and wait for it to load, because here is where you can set a minimum order amount in Shopify. Now, you see there's our options here that says SKU, unavailable, committed, available, and on hand. For example, I have like a 200 items here. You see that one? You can set you can adjust all the information, such as adjust available or move to available. For example, I'm gonna put in like an increment of 20, maybe. Click that, so I have like 20 on hand. All right, so when you click on save, you see that's basically how you can set up the minimum order quantity on your Shopify store. You also have an option to edit columns. You see that one? And once you're happy, you have more options to export and import your order quantity while managing your inventory here in Shopify. But that's going to be for another video. But for now, we're happy that we have already set up the minimum order quantity in Shopify. Of course, you can put in like damage, quality control, safety, stock, and other. And of course, you also have the committed. But of course, these are for advanced tutorial already. But if you, for example, you only have like a 20 items already on left, you might want to make sure that to update all the information here while setting up a minimum order quantity on Shopify. Because if you do it periodically, what will happen is you are encouraging customers to add more items to their cart to meet the threshold. Of course, that could increase your average order value. If you click on this one, you see you can bulk edit if you have multiple products here to update the minimum order quantity. You see you can have the update quantities here, but of course this actually will delete and save quantity changes, so you have to do it cautiously. Okay, and after that, all you're gonna do is create transfer or create purchase order. And I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.